Hi, in this video I'm going to talk to you about operational amplifiers and in their non-inverting amplifier configuration. Now the first thing is a quick recap of the golden rules. So the golden rules says that in a feedback configuration, okay, V plus will be equals to V minus. Alright, and the second rule is current going into the op amps. Let me just branch over here, these two branches is approximately 0. Alright, so we say is 0 because the input impedance of the op amps are close to infinite. Alright, so in my other video on the inverting amplifier configuration, I have explained this in more detail, so please remember to check that out. The link is just above here. Alright, so now let's look at this circuit setup here. Now applying the golden rule 1, we can say that so since we know the V plus is equals to V minus, the node over here is also equals to V plus, which is equals to V in. Okay, and since no current flows in to the op amps input terminals, whatever current is flowing through RF, okay, is also the same current going to flow through RI. Okay, so let me define the equations for these two currents. So this current is V in minus 0 over RI, and this current is V out minus V in over RF. Okay, so these are basically the application of Ohm's law. Now, putting both these equations together, since they are the same current, you can say V out minus V in over RF is equals to V in over RI. So V out minus V in equals to RF over RI multiplied by V in. So V out is equals to V in plus RF over RI V in. Okay, so factorizing out the V in, okay, you get the final formula as V out equals to 1 plus RF over RI multiplied by V in. So this is basically the equation or the formula that relates the output and the input when your op amp is configured in a non-inverting configuration. Okay, so just a quick update on this. When we inverting or non-inverting, alright, basically depends on where the input signal is applied. So in this case, when I have the input signal V in applied to the positive of the op amp, we say it's a non-inverting configuration. If it is connected to the negative of the op amp, like in my other video, you will say that that is the inverting amplifier configuration. Alright, so thank you very much for watching. In my next video, I'm going to be talking about how we can use op amps as comparators. So please do remember to check out that video as well. Thank you. Bye.